Hello again. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to divide and simplify rational expressions. Now, dividing rational expressions is just like dividing fractions. If you remember that cute saying, keep, change, flip, then that is all you have to worry about. And then you're back to multiplying rational expressions, and we do the same thing we did before. So, we'll keep the first guy, whatever it may be. Doesn't matter. Instead of dividing, we are going to change it to multiplication. And we're going to find the reciprocal of the second part. So whatever's in the bottom now goes up top. Whatever's in the top is now in the bottom. Now, since we're multiplying two rational expressions, we factor as much as possible. So let's go ahead and start with the numerator of the first guy. It's a difference of two squares. So when we factor him, we'll have x plus 2 times x minus 2. On the bottom, we have just a lonely x, so there's nothing more we can do with that. We'll leave it alone. And it's being multiplied by, up top here we have x minus 2. And actually that's prime, so we can't do anything further with it, so leave it alone. In the bottom for this guy, we have a GCF, and 9 can be factored out. Left behind is an x plus 2. Now we're going to cancel out anything that's the same in top and bottom. The x plus 2's are the same. And actually that's it that they share in common. So now we'll multiply straight across. X minus 2 times x minus 2 is the same thing as x minus 2 squared all over 9 times x. And you are done. So the only thing you have to know that's new for dividing rational expressions is that you, instead of dividing by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal. So keep, change, flip. And let me just scroll back down in case I went too fast. You can always pause the video and replay it. And that's all. It is all if I can hit stop.